Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom bring to the table, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to provide a skill or to have an input to a particular situation. She is writing her CV and wants to ensure she makes a great impression of herself. I need to highlight the really great things I did that make me stand out and show what I bring to the table. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The new player is showing how good he is. I'm letting everyone know what I bring to the table. The woman is very upset because her mother-in-law doesn't like her. She thinks I'm not good enough for him, but I know what I bring to the table. The life coach tells everyone, it doesn't matter about your background or culture or anything. Every single person in the world brings something to the table, no matter how big or small. Here are some further examples, starting with professional situations. The manager says before the meeting begins, if there is anything that you want to bring to the table before we get started, let us know now, please. The management team discusses the hire of a new employee. He brings many years of leadership experience to the table. I can see him becoming very successful for us. The salesman explains the value of what his company offers. And on top of all that, you get a 5-year guarantee. Now that you see what we bring to the table, what do you say? Where did you hear the expression, bring to the table? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.